Yo, AJ from Overrated here. Today's the day. We're picking up wheels for the A series. So stay tuned. Just got done with the gym. It's about 5 p.m. I'm about to go pick up Alex and then pick up the rental because then we got a long drive all the way to Orlando from Miami.
You run from love like it's something you get awards for. I chase it like it's something I lost before. Drinking till your liver hurt. I asked her.
We just got to the shop now. I gotta drop off my car and then we gotta pick up the rental. So you're gonna drive the A series today. Yes, sir.
Yo, what is this? Is that your
I'm vlogging.
Is that your phone?
Yeah. We got the M5. Yo, shout out to my people at Raw Speed.
I chase it like it's something I lost before. Drinking till your liver hurt. I asked the whole floor. Asking when I get over you. Said, baby, of course.
We just picked up the rental. Shout out to my boy Ariel. We'll have all the space in the room to pick up the wheels. Here. Yo, is this the hookah and the beer? Yo, shout out to my guy. Orlando trip, what time is it? It's like 10 o'clock right now. We're gonna pick up some wheels. Caña.
Está incluido en el baúl, en la parte de la esquina, dentro de una cajita blanca.
Las caras las quitaste.
Shout out my guy, Chiqui. Yo, sun is out right now, son.
Yeah, you got me up at this time, bro.
Yo, I slept, yo. This man said he's about to like the hookah. Sick. See you in a couple hours. We have to raise it up on a wooden plank because aired out still doesn't get the drag under. Sick.
No more going back to where we was before. I love myself so much, but who's keeping score? Yeah, gotta love not what I'm known to be, but I still want you alone.
Yo, so it's finally the day. Friday. We're here at Raw Speed.
What's up, YouTube? We're outside, bro. I'm getting my wheels mounted today. I'm a little girl on the inside, yeah.
Shout out Wawa for the coffee.
Yo, sponsor us, Wawa.
Protein boost, immunity boost, energy boost, cold cup of ice, start.
And cock boost. What are we thinking? Oh my god, wait, hold on. This caught my attention.
Looking at his shirt.
Forget this car.
You want to trade me, let me know.
I'll trade you right now.
440 is too low.
Look who's here with us today. Sandrito. Hey!
She let me fuck too fast. New whip now, got gas. Too high, almost crash. My bad, if the boy don't ask who that. Car gay cause I must do drag. Said fuck her like she my lash. Hit the block, she my glass. Little bitch tryna show some ass. Little jit tryna throw some cash. But he ain't really stacked like that. In the hood you know I that. We good, you can check the stats. Re-up, they never relax. Never going to my whole life back. Never showing you can feel the strap. I took that bitch right to the moon. Try to ice it, but she ain't so cool. Try to wife it, but I ain't no fool. Toco donde me odian. pero nunca mejora. El corazón negro, como Angola, me llaman el Jordan.